Hello truth seekers and history buffs, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're digging deep into the past, unearthing mysteries that make even the most brilliant scientists scratch their heads. We're recounting down 10 incredible archaeological discoveries that seem to defy our modern understanding of science and history. So, grab your explorer's hat, and let's get started. Coming in at number 10, we have the Antikythera mechanism, discovered in a Roman-era shipwreck off the coast of a Greek island. This device is often called the world's first analog computer, dating back over 2,000 years. This intricate system of bronze gears was used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses for decades in advance. The level of mechanical complexity and miniaturization wasn't seen again in Europe for another 1,000 years. How could an ancient civilization create something so sophisticated? It completely rewrites what we thought we knew about their technological capabilities. It's a mechanical marvel that seems to belong in a different time altogether. Next up, at number 9, are the Baghdad batteries. In the 1930s, artifacts were found near Baghdad, Iraq, that looked suspiciously like ancient galvanic cells. These were simple terracotta pots containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar or grape juice, they could generate a small electrical current, about 1 volt. While some argue they were just for storing scrolls, others have demonstrated they could have been used for electroplating gold onto silver. The big question is, did ancient Mesopotamians discover and harness electricity 2,000 years before Alessandro Volta? The evidence is tantalizing, suggesting a forgotten chapter in the history of science. Sailing into our number 8 spot are the Viking sunstones. Viking sagas speak of a magical sunstone that could reveal the sun's position even on a cloudy day, allowing them to navigate the treacherous North Atlantic. For a long time, this was dismissed as mere folklore. But then, a specific type of crystal, Iceland spar, was found on a 16th century shipwreck. This crystal has a peculiar property called birefringence, which can polarize light. By rotating the crystal, you can find the direction of the sun even when it is hidden behind clouds or below the horizon. The Vikings, it seems, weren't using magic. They were using advanced optical physics long before it was formally understood. At number 7, we journey to Egypt to witness the Dendera light. Carved into the walls of the Hathor temple at Dendera is a peculiar set of reliefs. They depict a large, transparent, bulb-like object with a snake-like filament running through it. This bulb is connected by a cable to a box, and a figure seems to be supporting it. To many, this looks uncannily like a giant electric lamp. Mainstream Egyptologists interpret it as a mythological scene involving a lotus flower and a snake, but the resemblance to a Crookes tube or an early light bulb is so striking that it has fueled theories about ancient Egyptian knowledge of electricity. Could the pharaohs have illuminated their tombs with something more than just torches? Now for number 6, the Piri Reis map. This map, created in 1513 by the Ottoman Admiral Piri Reis, is astounding for several reasons. It shows parts of the world with incredible accuracy for its time, including the coasts of Europe, North Africa, and Brazil. But the most baffling part is what appears to be the coastline of Antarctica, continent not officially discovered until 300 years later. And here is the kicker. The map seems to depict the landmass asterisk. Before asterisk, it was covered in ice. How could a 16th century cartographer have known this? Theories range from access to lost ancient maps from a great library to more out there ideas. Whatever the source, the Piri Reis map challenges our timeline of global exploration. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have Roman concrete. The Pantheon in Rome has the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome, and it stood for nearly 2,000 years. Modern concrete structures, by contrast, often begin to crumble after just 50 years. What was the Romans' secret? Scientists recently discovered the recipe. The Romans used volcanic ash, lime, and seawater. When seawater seeps into cracks in this concrete, it triggers a chemical reaction that forms new, interlocking crystals, making the structure even stronger over time. It's self-healing. This ancient building material is not just durable, it's smarter than what we use today. We're now trying to reverse engineer this technology to create more sustainable, long-lasting construction materials. At number 4, we have the mysterious Voynich manuscript. This 15th century codex is filled with illustrations of strange plants, astronomical diagrams, and bathing figures. But its text is written in an unknown language or code that has stumped the world's best cryptographers for over a century. No one has been able to decipher a single word. Is it a lost language, an elaborate code, or simply a brilliant, centuries-old hoax? The plants don't match any known species, and the astronomical charts don't correspond to any known celestial patterns. The manuscript remains one of history's greatest unsolved linguistic and scientific puzzles. A book that defies all attempts at comprehension. Entering our top 3 is the incredible Lycurgus cup. This 4th century Roman glass chalice is a masterpiece of ancient nanotechnology. Under normal light, it appears a murky green, but when you shine a light through it, it glows a vibrant, ruby red. How? Scientists discovered the glass is impregnated with microscopic particles of gold and silver, just 50 nanometers in diameter. This specific composition scatters light in a way that changes its color. Creating something like this requires a level of control over materials at the atomic scale that we've only recently mastered. The Romans couldn't have known about nanoparticles, so how they created this stunning dichroic effect remains a profound mystery. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the use of Damascus steel. For centuries, swords made in the Middle East from this legendary metal were renowned for being incredibly sharp, strong, and flexible. The blades had a distinctive watery or patterned design on their surface. But the formula and technique for creating this steel were lost sometime in the 18th century, and for hundreds of years, no one could replicate it. Modern analysis using electron microscopes has revealed that Damascus steel contains carbon, nanotubes, and nanowires, super-strong materials that would have formed during the unique forging process. These ancient swordsmiths were, unknowingly, masters of carbon nanotechnology, creating a material far superior to anything else available at the time. And finally, at number 1, we have the mind-boggling Pumapunku, located in the highlands of Bolivia. This site is part of the larger Tiwanaku complex. What makes Pumapunku so baffling are its massive stone blocks, some weighing over 100 tons. They are made of diorite and red sandstone, and are cut with such precision that they fit together like a puzzle, without any mortar. You can't even slip a razor blade between them. The cuts are perfectly straight, the angles are exact, and there are even complex interior cuts. How did a culture with no known writing system and supposedly only basic tools achieve this level of stonework? It looks less like chiseling and more like machine cutting. Pumapunku stands as perhaps the most compelling evidence that an ancient civilization possessed technology or techniques that are completely lost to us, defying our very understanding of the ancient world. From self-healing concrete to ancient nanotechnology, these discoveries prove that the past is far more complex and advanced than we often give it credit for. What do you think is the most mind-bending discovery on this list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unexplained, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss another adventure into the unknown. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.